Howdy, everyone. My name is Keaton Doucette, and the animal I chose for this assignment was crabs. So today I'm going to dive into the fascinating world of crabs. They're often called nature's coastal cleanup crew. Crabs belong to the inferior Brachyura in the order of Decopoda. With over 6,800 different species worldwide, they're essential players in many ecosystems. From sandy beaches to deep ocean floors, these crabs are everywhere, and they do much more than we might think. Crabs are truly fascinating creatures, found in a variety of environments around the world. While we may know them as food on our plates, crabs are incredibly diverse and vital to the health of our planet's ecosystems. Right here, I've linked a picture of a ghost crab that can run up to 10 miles an hour. So I wanted to really go into depth first about their natural habitat. Um, Crabs are incredibly adaptable and they can survive in many different environments. They're found in oceans, freshwater rivers, and even on land. Some, like the blue crab, thrive in the brackish waters along the Atlantic coast, while others, like the coconut crab, have adapted to the life on tropical islands in the Indo-Pacific. The habitats crabs choose are usually rich in resources, and their presence helps maintain the ecosystem's balance. Crabs are known to live on sandy beaches, rocky shorelines, coral reefs, and even on mangroves. Each in each of these habitats, they play a specific role that supports other marine life. On the right, I've linked a picture of a mangrove crab, which are on land. And on the left, I have put a picture of a beach crab, which are much more common and a lot of more of what humans know. Some of their feeding habitats, they're omnivores, which means they eat both plants and animals. Their diet include algae, small fish, worms, and detritus, which is dead plant and animal matter. By eating this, crabs help break down and recycle nutrients back into the ecosystem. For example, the blue crab scavenges on the ocean floor, eating bits of dead fish and plant material. In this way, crabs act as nature's recyclers, helping to keep their environment clean and balanced. As a vital part of the food web, crabs have their own set of predators, and they've adapted ways to protect themselves. Crabs are hunted by birds, octopuses, larger fish, and of course, humans. Some crabs have strong cells and carapaces to protect them, while others, like the fiddler crab, have a large claw that it uses for defense and communication. To escape these predators, many crabs will quickly bury themselves in sand or dart sideways to get away. Interestingly, some crabs, like the decorator crab, actually camouflage themselves by attaching bits of seaweed and coral to their shells to blend in with their surroundings. Some of their prey also include small fish, worms, algae, and mollusk. Some unique traits about crabs um, are they have very hard exoskeletons that act as armor, protecting them from predators. Crabs also have pincers called chelae, which they use for a variety of purposes, for grabbing food, defending against threats, and even signaling to other crabs. Many crabs have evolved to walk sideways because of the way their legs are positioned, which allows them to move quickly and efficiently in their environment. One example of a truly unique crab is a coconut crab, which is strong enough to crack open coconuts with its own pincers. Crabs also come in a range of colors and sizes, making them quite diverse and interesting to observe. Here I linked the where crabs fit on the tree of life. Crabs belong to the kingdom Animalia in the phylum Arthropoda, which they share with insects and spiders. They fall under the class Malacostraca and under the order of Decopoda and the infraorder of Brachyura, which makes them true crabs. Being arthropods, crabs share characteristics like segmented bodies and jointed limbs with other members of this phylum. It's amazing to see how crabs are connected to other animals we know, yet they've developed such unique traits. And their importance to the ecosystem and to humans. They play an essential role in the ecosystem by scavenging on dead animals and plants. What that does is it recycles nutrients and provides food for other species, including humans. Crabs crabs' presence helps balance populations of smaller animals and plants, maintaining the biodiversity in coastal areas. Economically, crabs are very important to humans as well. They are a key part of the fishing industry and are also enjoyed as a food worldwide. In some cultures, crabs are used in traditional dishes and are considered a delicacy. By supporting both the environment and human life, crabs are a remarkable group of animals. Here I've linked all my citations. You'll see all of the images that I've used along with the slides. And at the bottom, you'll see the two sources that I've used to get all this information. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day and gig 'em.